Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a tour of the villas at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. It didn't open for me. Rude. So the first part of our trip is at the Grand Floridian and we are in room 1314. We are staying in the DVC Villa and let me show you around. Oh. On the back of our door here is the evacuation route plan. And our room is right here. We're on the 3rd floor. First thing I want to share with you guys is the bathroom. I already love this bathroom because there's a sink in here. Here are the toiletries that are available. So they've got facial soap here and body lotion. And there's also a remote here for the TV that's in the mirror. How freaking awesome is that? Down below we have some, we have a towel, we have a trash can, and we have another towel. And I love this shower. And this door right here is another part of the bathroom. My husband's in there right now, so we'll take a look at it later. But here is a closet. And in the closet we have extra pillow and blanket up there. We've got some toilet paper, tissue box. We've got laundry detergent, an iron, and also a hairdryer. There are 2 robes in here. There's a ironing board and then a luggage holder. And then also, of course, the safe. And let's take a look at our kitchenette. So in our kitchenette, we have a microwave And then up at the top drawer cabinet, we have some paper plates and bowls and also some eating utensils. And in this cabinet, we've got some cups. On this top shelf here, we have our ice cream maker and a can opener. And in the DVC villas, we just have like a regular old coffee maker. We have some Joe-free coffee. We have a toaster, paper towels, and here is our little fridge. And then down below here is where we have another trash can, more paper towels, a fire extinguisher, more dishwashing soap, a recycling bin in the back over there. Looks like just a regular old cabinet, right? Well, let me share with you what's in here. A pull-out bed! And look who's featured in it! Dumbo! How adorable. Here is the queen size bed. I think this is a queen size bed. I'm a little bit disappointed that we don't have the beautiful pillow of GF that everyone posts about when they stay here, but I don't know if we're just missing it or if they just don't include it when you stay at a DVC unit villa. Here's our couch, some artwork. We've got a great view that I'll show you guys in just a little bit. There's another trash can over there by the TV. Alright. Look at our view. So we can see Space Mountain at the very far end over there. Then over there is the Contemporary and Bay Lake Towers. And next door to us is the Polynesian. So the Polynesian, we will be staying there later this week. And out here in our little villa, we have 2 chairs and a little table. I feel like this is probably one of the largest villas that we've stayed at. That's a studio. So I was a little concerned that there was not enough areas for storage, but I did notice that there were drawers underneath the bed, which is awesome. There's another one over there. But what I think is really, really cool is that there's like a hidden compartment here so you could stick your luggage underneath it. I like how there is this separation. Ooh, look at this fancy Nespresso coffee machine in the lobby. So update, this is my first time using this machine. You have to grab a pod and then you put it in the thingy there and then you press what size coffee you want and then it dispenses. So one of the magical surprises of staying at the Grand Floridian with this lake view was seeing the fireworks right from our balcony. Are you one of those crazy people that go to the gym even on vacation super duper early in the morning? Well, my husband is, so thanks to him, he grabbed all of these gym clips for me to share with you guys.
So with it being 6 a.m., of course, everyone is still asleep. I normally go to the gym about 4:30 or so. Wake up about 4 o'clock, give myself some time to get ready. But as you can imagine, everyone else is still sleeping, so just decided to take a walk around Grand Floridian. It's really quiet this time of day, but not bad. One of the benefits, of course, of getting up early is there's no one really out except for the cast members, so just get to soak in all the quietness and just kind of see how things are before everything opens up. Now, if you're currently wondering, Lynn does know that I'm using her camera to grab some footage this morning. So I didn't just hijack her camera and start recording. But she'll probably use some of this footage later. So like I said, besides a few cast members around making sure the property is show ready for the morning, it is pretty quiet this time of night. Haven't really seen anybody walking around. The one thing that amazed me about this property is just how large it is. As you can see, I was just at the villas and now I've walked across the property all the way to the shipyard. So I'm currently at the shipyard. I've been walking around property just trying to see if I can get a good view of the park, and looks like I found it. As you can see, there is the Cinderella Castle. Pretty far out in the distance, but still nice to see this time of day.
So the last thing I wanted to share with you guys is the laundry room. Since we were staying in a studio villa, it did not have a washer and dryer inside the unit. If you stay in a 1-bedroom or larger, those do have a washer and dryer inside the room, which is nice and convenient, but of course that demands more DVC points for you to use. Inside the laundry room, there are 2 washers and 4 dryers available for you to utilize. Thank you so much for joining us on this tour of the Grand Floridian. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you again real soon.